Everyone has a certain price they're comfortable paying for something. Bob is happy to spend $25 when he's hungry. Sally's more frugal. $15 is her limit. Cookie-cutter marketing is completely dumb to this. It treats all customers the same. And here's the problem. A $20 offer has Bob spending $5 less than he would have, and Sally ends up going somewhere else. So you end up with $20 instead of $40. Worse, you're conditioning Bob to spend less. You may never see Sally again. Today's smarter marketing solves this because it learns each customer's spending potential and it adapts the offer to the customer. So instead of over-discounting Bob, we send him a $25 deal. And instead of losing Sally's business to your competitor, she gets a $15 deal, but on terms favorable to you. Now you have $40 in your pocket instead of $20. With thousands of Bobs and Sallys, this adds up fast.